Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the Unit 1 poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma. The Computer Swallowed Grandma. It's a different title, children. Is it true? Is it wrong, true according to the poet? The poem which was written by Anonymous. Anonymous is a name, unknown poet. Understand? We do not know who has written in the poem. This poem which was published in the magazine, international magazine. Understand, children? The poem which was published in the international magazine. We do not know the poet name. That is the reason we do not know the poet name. When we write anonymous, anonymous means unknown poet. Unknown poet. Yeah, still in Tamil also many of the stories, many of the lullaby songs we do not know the poet name. Understand or not, children? Some in farm also while farming the people, the farmers are singing the song. We do not know the singer's name. We do not know the singer's name. Anonymous, such a folk songs we do not know the poet name. This kind of poems, this kind of poems we are going to mention to the word anonymous. Anonymous means unknown writer. Unknown writer or unknown poet. Unknown poet. It is a poem, unknown poet. Either the poet is male or female. Male or female. First stanza. In this poem has a 5 stanzas. How many stanzas to get? 5 stanzas. Each stanza has a 4 lines of the verses. Each stanza has a 4 lines of the verses. And the next one, in the stanza wise, we are going to learn the meaning of the words and then learn the theme of the poem. Listen carefully to appropriate the right meaning in your textbook. Listen carefully, children. First stanza, swallowed, caused to go down throat. The crocodile swallowed the reptiles. Isn't it or not? The crocodiles swallow the reptiles. Eat. Honestly, frankly, truly. Disappeared, vanished. Disappeared, vanished. Second stanza, 2 words are there. Devoured. Ate fully without leaving. Ate fully without leaving. Swam, embarrassment, uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Third stanza, only one word is that I think you are familiar with the meaning of the word. Anyhow, I have written the meaning of the words here. A place where some files are lodged in a computer. Lodged in a computer. Fourth stanza, desperation, hopeless. Online, connected with internet. Connected with internet. Listen, children, let us learn the theme of the poem. Listen carefully, dears.
The computer swallowed grandma. In this poem has 5 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines of the verses. Understand? Let us read and enjoy the poem. Listen carefully, children. First stanza. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. It's very interesting, The poem which was written by anonymous author. Anonymous. Understand? We don't whether the poem is written by she or he. But someone wrote the poem. Someone wrote the poem. Listen. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly it's true. Yeah. The author or the poet's grandmother was working on a computer. When she was working on the computer, suddenly the author's or the poet's grandma was swallowed by the computer. By the means, in the digital era, the poet was talking to his grandmother through Skype or Hangout. Understand? Yeah, whenever the author could see her grandmother and talk her grandmother through the Skype. His grandmother did not know how to operate the computer. Without knowing the knowledge of using the computer, she pressed the enter and control and enter keys in the computer. As a result of pressing the enter and control, what would happen? Definitely she was going to disappear from on the screen, children. The same thing should happen. Listen, what author says is absolutely true. Yeah, according to the author, his grandmother or author's grandmother or the poet's grandmother was swallowed by the computer. It was quite true. While working on the computer, just she pressed the control and enter in a computer, pressed the keys, enter and control. After pressing these keys, no time at all, she vanished from the view. She vanished from the view. Do you all understand, children? By the means her images vanished from the view. Understand? Finally, the computer screen did not show her grandma. Computer screen did not show her grandma. The poet was unable to see her grandma on the computer screen. Do you all understand, children? Is it too interesting? In the digital era, many of the elder people do not know how to operate the computer, how to use the computer. Not many of them nowadays, they learn how to use. Nowadays people, they learn how to use the mobile phone and how to use the computer. Understand or not, Kana? But the poet's grandma did not know the knowledge how to operate the computer. Understand? Let us continue to learn the next stanza. Listen carefully, children. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by worm. Understand? The author says that his grandmother was eaten by the computer completely. It is imagination, children. The computer virus might have attacked her. The author is at thought. The author felt uncomfortable in his seat due to the presence of the virus. Due to the presence of the virus or worm, author's grandmother was disappeared from his view. Understand? Who disappeared whose view? Author's grandmother disappeared from author's view. Understand or not, Kana? Understand the meaning or not? It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. Understand? Who had a feeling of uncomfortable? The author or the poet had a feeling of uncomfortable because the computer screen did not show her grandmother image. And let us continue. Listen carefully, children. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. The poet was searching his grandma in the computer. The poet started searching his grandmother image in the recycle bin of the computer. Understand or not, children? And also the poet analyzed all the files in the computer. The poet searched for his grandmother image using internet, but the poet grandmother was found nowhere. The poet's grandmother was found nowhere. Understand or not, children? And the next one. Who searched all the files? The poet searched all the files in the computer. Who searched all the files in the computer? The poet. Understand? Why did he search? Because he wanted to search his grandmother's image in the recycle bin and all the images. He tried many ways to search his grandmother. Everything was failure. Understand, Kana? He was a helpless person. Let us continue to learn the next stanza. Listen carefully, dears. Next stanza, fourth stanza. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. Listen. The author did not have a hope for searching his grandmother by himself. So he did not have a plenty of knowledge. The poet searched his grandmother through all the files in drive to find his grandmother by himself. So he was unable to find his grandmother. So he approached the computer technician Jeeves, software engineer Jeeves, to contact. The author did not get a quite satisfaction of the computer technician Jeeves' reply. Jeeves also unable to find the trace of the grandmother. Understand or not, Kanna? The poet could not find the trace of his grandmother. There was no information about the grandmother. Nothing was found in the online. He asked the software engineer Jeeves to find her grandmother. He did not get the valid reply from the software engineer Jeeves or technician, computer technician. Understand or not, Kanna? And he searched his grandmother as well. He was keep on searching his he kept on searching his grandmother all the ways, but it was failure. It was a failure. Let us continue, children. So if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. Yeah, the author asked all the readers. Who are the readers? We are the readers, you know. The author asked all the readers if the readers happen to see her grandmother in their inboxes, her image should be her image should be copied, scanned and pasted to send the author email or the poet's email by email. Understand the poets? Understand or not? Poet's email address by email. Understand or not, children? And the next one, the poet wants us to see our inboxes. Who wants us to see our inboxes? The poet wants us to see our inboxes. Why does the poet wants to see our inboxes? Because if his grandma, he wanted to see her grandma's image. If we happen to find his grandma's image in our inboxes, we should copy, and we are asked to copy and scan and paste her image to the author by email. Do you all understand the theme of the 5 stanza, children? It is interesting poem, you know. Yeah, but the poem, who has written in the poem, we do not know. But anyhow, the poem which gives the beautiful experience. Understand? Let us continue to learn the vocabulary part. Listen carefully, dears.
Today's vocabulary part, homophones. It is too easy to learn, children. What is meant by homophones? Same pronunciation, same sound. Homophone words which produce the same sounds, different spellings and different meanings. These words are called homophones. Understand or not, children? The words which are produced the same pronunciation, but they have a different spellings and different meanings. They are called homophones. Listen, first word, adopt. What is meant by adopt? Adopt and adapt. The two words pronunciations are same, but they have a different spellings and a different meaning. First adopt. First adopt means adjustment. Understand, Kana? He is going to adapt to the situation. Here adapt means acquire, take. He is an adopted child. Do you know the difference between two words? Adopt, the first one, adopt means adjustment, adopt to the situation, accept the situation. Second one, adopt means take and acquire, get. Understand? Next one, advise and advice. It is a noun form, it is a verb form. It is a noun form and it is a verb form. My father gave me advice. Understand, Arankana? My father gave me advice. My father advised me. Do you know the difference between two sentences, Arankana? Same. It is a noun form and a verb form. My father gave me advice. My father advised me. In this word is acted as a noun. It is acted as a verb, but same meaning. Do you all understand, children? Assent. This assent meaning is accept. This one is assent, descent. Climb, rise. Meaning. And the next one, born. You know very well. He was born in 1947. He was born in 2001. Understand? Be past form, born. Be past participle. Be born. Understand, Aran? Past participle. B3 form. form. By the means carry, and the next one support, like that meaning. This bond meaning carry, supporter, like that meaning. You all understand that first four homophones, children. Let us go to the next one. Break, interval, gap, interval, intermission. We are going to have a break, short commercial break. This break, it is one of the device in the vehicles. Understand? Buy, you know very well, buy the things. I buy vegetables. My mother bought vegetables. Understand? My mother buys vegetables. Understand? Buy. My mother says buy. Bid for buy. Understand, Anna? Sell. The vendor sell the vegetables. Sell, it is a room. Listen, present, sell. Understand? And the next one, council. First one, council. Board people. Counselor, area counselor, you know, board people. Understand? Next one, council, advice, suggestion, opinion, guidance. Understand, Anna? Council. And the next one, current. Ninth one, current. CURRENT. Current means present news. Current news. What is the current hot news? Understand? Current. CURRENT. Current means it is dried small grapes. CURRENT means dried small grapes. And the next one, descent. Ascent, opposite. Descent. Understand? Descent. And the next one, descent. Understand? Descent. First one, descent. Go down, fall, like that. Next one is disagreement, disapproval, like that meaning. Do you all understand the homophones words meanings? You try to frame the sentence of your word. Thank you, children.